Yes, my name is Zarifa. I'm in 8th grade. The topic I'm working on is called conservation of terrestrial ecosystems, and I connected this topic with the liberation from the occupation of Karabakh and the other regions of Azerbaijan, and I want to see these regions like that. One of these regions is Zanjalan. You can see here the forest and the buildings where everyone is living, and the road where the cars are going. I also put short information about Zanjalan. The other region is Kubadli. We can see here the buildings and the schools too. Also, we can see here the forest. Here I also put a short information chip about Kubadli. The other one is Jabrail. We can see here the flowers, the village houses, and also the forest. I also put here a short information chip about Jabrail. Other one is Fizuldi. We can see here the village houses, the forest, and the Kuruchay river. I also put a short information chip about Fizuldi. The other region is Shusha. You can see here the mountains, the forest. Shusha is famous with their mountains and the special flower Khara Bulbul. Here you can see how I draw Khara Bulbul. Here I also put a short information chip about Shusha. Is Hankendi. You can see here the forest and the mountains. Here I also put a short information chip about Hankendi. The region is Lachi. You can see here the buildings, the roads, the mountains, and the forest. In forest you can see the green trees and the red trees. The red trees are special. You can't find them in other countries. Here I also put a short information chip about Lachin. The other region is Hankendi. You can see here the forest and the mountains. Here I also put a short information chip about Hankendi. The other one is Khojali. You can see here the buildings, the schools, the forest, and the mountains. But the special one is the first category motorway with 32-kilometer length was in Khojali. Here I also put a short information chip about Khojali. The other region is Kelbajar. You can see here the forest, the river, and also a tower. Here I also put a short information chip about Kelbajar. The other one is Agdam. We can see the forest, the mountains. Here I also put a short information chip about Agdam. To protect the terrestrial ecosystems, it's necessary to plant many trees and protect animals. Paper cannot be used empty. Moreover, our lands are post-war. We must pay attention to planting trees and breeding animals on these lands.